So next we'll cover file system hierarchy standard FSH. Okay, so what is file system hierarchy? You can say like the Linux files hierarchy structure or the file system hierarchy standard defines the directory structure and directory content in Unix like operating systems. It is maintained by the Linux foundations. Okay, so here is the file system hierarchy. Okay, so I'll show you. Logging to the Linux machine once. I'll show you. Okay, okay. I have logged into my virtual machine, the full screen. Okay, so I'm at the location like slash root. I'll go to the top of the file system hierarchy. Okay, d slash. Okay, so I am at location slash. Okay, under that. Okay, these are the directories placed under it, under the slash. Okay, so you can see like bin, boot, tv, etc, home, library, lost, found, media, amount. Okay, we'll cover all this, what contents available inside the every directory will cover it. Okay, so okay, for your understanding I'm showing in this screen. So okay, so what is means slash? What is slash? The directory is called as a root directory. Okay, and it is at the top of the file system structure. Okay, so all other directories are placed under it, as I have shown you. Okay, under the slash, these are the directories. Okay, uh, the directories like slash root, boot, home, bin, sbin, var, user, etc, dev, media, opt. Okay, so I have covered the slash. What is slash? Okay, so what contents inside the root? Okay, so this is the default home directory of root. Okay, so in Linux or Unix the administrator is called as root. Okay, so next is slash home. What is slash home? It contains the home directory of all users, similar to documents and setting folder in Windows. Okay, so when any user logs into the current working directory, by default is the user's home directory. Okay, so what is slash boot? Okay, uh, it contains the kernel, which is the core of the operating system. It also contains the file related for booting the OS, such as the bootloader. Okay, so next is sbin slash sbin. Sbin stands for system binary. Okay, it contains essential system commands which can be used by the super user, that is root. Example: fdisk, dump, etc. These are the commands. Okay, so we'll cover in later videos. Okay, so what is slash bin? Bin stands for binary. It contains essential commands which are used by all users, the basic commands. Example like ping, cat, chmod, etc. Okay, don't worry about the commands, we'll cover in the upcoming videos. Okay, so slash user, it user stands for Unix system resources. It contains the programs and applications which are available for users, similar to program files in Windows. Okay, so inside the slash var stands for variable. It contains variable information such as logs and print queues. Okay, so next is slash dev, that is stands for device. It contains the information about all hardware devices. Okay, so next is slash etc. etc stands for etc. It contains all the configuration files. Okay, so I can show you one by one. Okay, I'll show you after covering all these directories. Okay, so slash opt stands for optional. It generally contains the third-party software's example, open office, then Kaspersky Sky, antivirus. Okay, means third-party softwares whatever you have installed, it will be shown in the slash opt. Okay, so next is slash media. It is the default mount point for removable storage media such as CD-ROM, DVD, and pen drives, etc. Okay, so we have covered all the directories whatever inside present inside the slash. Okay, so if you will go to cd slash okay root, okay, ls, these are the files present inside slash root. Okay, so next we'll go to slash home. Okay, as we discussed, inside this directory we can see the users available. Okay, that is I have created a user, that is J. Okay, so next we'll cover slash boot, sorry, cd slash boot. These are the contents inside slash boot. Okay, next the important I will cover, that is slash var, cd slash var. These are the variables, and this is also the very useful. It is cd slash etc. Okay, ls, these are the configuration files present inside the etc. Okay, okay, I think that's it for the day. Thank you for watching.